Today in this video, I will show you how to install Windows Server 2025. So before the installation, you need the ISO of Windows Server 2025. You can get help from my previous video in which I tell you how to download Windows Server 2025. You can install that ISO on a bare metal or any virtualization platform, either that is Hyper-V, VMware, ESXi, VirtualBox, or any virtualization platform. I will show you the installation of Windows Server 2025 on a Hyper-V. If you want to know the configuration of the Hyper-V, you can go through my last video. Now we will move towards the Hyper-V Manager, in which we will create the virtual machine for Windows Server 2025. So first of all, you have to open the Hyper-V Manager from a start. So here right click and select new and select virtual machine. Next, here type the name of a server, Windows Server 2025. Click the next. Here you can select the Gen 1 or Gen 2. I will select the Gen 1. Here you can mention the RAM. I will give it the 4 GB RAM and unselect the dynamic. Here, if you have created the virtual switch, you can select that. I will not select any switch. Here you can specify the location of VHD where you want to save it. So I will select D drive. Create a new folder with 2025. Select folder, click next. Here you want to browse the ISO which I have downloaded in my previous video. Uh, I will select the ISO file, click next and click finish. I will not directly start the virtual machine. First, I have to disable the checkpoints so that it will not create a checkpoint. I will click start. Virtual machine has been started. Now I will connect the VM. Here you can mention the language and the time and currency. I will leave it default to English. From here you can change the keyboard. I will select the US. Here I will select install Windows Server and I will agree because it's a fresh installation and everything will be removed. Click next. Here you need to enter a product key. Product key I will provide you in a video description. That is for Standard Server Edition, Data Center, and Azure Edition. So you can use this key until September 2024, or you can continue with I do not have a product key. If you select Windows Server 2025 without desktop experience, then you will manage it from PowerShell, Command Prompt, or Windows Admin Center. If you select it with the desktop experience, then you will manage a server from a graphical user interface. So I will select the data center with the desktop experience and will click next. Here agreement I will accept. From here you can create a different partitions, but I will go with the default. Here click install to install a Windows server. So the installation process is started. It will take a time, so I will pause the video. It keep installing. You need to enter a product key. I will select do this later. Here you will write the password for a local admin pass account, and I will select finish. So it's applying settings. To log in this server, we will type the same password. Here I will select accept. And close the server manager, and our installation is completed. Microsoft give the look of Windows 11 to server 2025. Thank you for watching.